Let's talk about something super important, something that underpins basically everything we do, both in our work lives and personal lives. Do you ever feel like you're doing great work, but maybe not getting the client buy-in that you hope for, that you expect? Or maybe you're trying to build stronger relationships, but something feels like it's missing. So often it actually boils down to this invisible, yet incredibly powerful thing: trust and credibility. It sounds huge, right? Like this mystical quality that some people just innately have. But honestly, building trust is not magic. It's more like building with Legos. It happens piece by piece, action by action. And today I want to break down exactly how you can consciously build more trust and credibility in your own lives, starting right now. If you're ready, let's get into it. So first off, why does this even matter so very much? Well, just think about it. Who do you really listen to? Who do you buy from? Who do you rely on when things get tough? It's the people and businesses that you trust, right? Trust leads to loyalty, better collaboration, stronger sales, deeper friendships, you name it. Lose it, and well, it's incredibly hard to get back. But the good news is building it is achievable. And so I want to share with you 5 core strategies. Think of them as your trust building toolkit. Let's jump in. Strategy number 1, be consistent and reliable. I know it sounds basic, but think about that friend who's always 20 minutes late. You love them maybe, but you don't rely on them for timing, do you? In business, it's hitting deadlines. It's showing up prepared for meetings. It's delivering consistent quality. And in life, it's simply doing what you say you're gonna do. Every time you follow through, you add a brick to that trust wall. And every time you flake, you chip one away. Simple, but powerful. Strategy number 2, transparent and honest. Okay, this one can feel a little bit scary sometimes, but it is huge. Remember that time a company messed up your order, but they immediately admitted it, apologized, and fixed it? Didn't you almost trust them even more afterwards? Owning your mistakes, being upfront about challenges, maybe a project delay, instead of trying to hide them, builds massive credibility. It shows integrity. People trust honesty, even when the news isn't perfect. So don't hide things, communicate clearly and often. Strategy number 3, show your competence and be honest about limits. People need to believe you actually know what you're talking about or what you're doing. In your job, it means developing your skills, showcasing results, maybe sharing testimonials. In life, it means being dependable and capable in the ways that you claim to be. But, and this is important, it doesn't mean pretending to know everything. Being willing to say, I don't know, but I'll find out, or that's not my area of expertise, but I can connect you with somebody, actually boosts your credibility way more than bluffing. Strategy number 4, connect and show empathy. Trust isn't just about logic, it's emotional. People trust those they feel get them. Are you really listening when someone talks, or are you just waiting for your turn to speak? Are you trying to understand their perspectives, their challenges, their needs? In business, this means truly understanding your clients beyond the transaction. And in life, it's about being present for your friends and your family, showing that you genuinely care. Active listening and empathy are trust accelerators. And strategy number 5, walk your talk. Integrity. This ties everything together. Your actions must align with your words and your stated values. If your company boasts about customer service, but your support lines are an absolute nightmare, well, trust evaporates. If you talk about being supportive, but you constantly gossip, people will not confide in you. So congruence is key. Alignment is everything. Do your actions match your promises? That's integrity, and it's the bedrock of lasting trust. So there you have it. Consistency, transparency, competence, empathy, and integrity. Notice how these aren't revolutionary concepts or complex secrets. They're about conscious, everyday actions. Building trust isn't about a grandiose gesture. It's about the small things done consistently over time in all areas and aspects of your life. So where can you be a little bit more reliable? Where can you be a little bit more transparent? Where can you practice deeper listening? It's an ongoing practice, not a one and done task that you should just learn and be able to do right away, right? But investing in being trustworthy, well, that's one of the best investments that you can possibly make. So what do you think? What's the biggest trust builder for you? Or maybe you have a story about trust being built or maybe even broken. Share it down in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences and insights and any other tips you have. And hey, if you found this helpful, give that like button a tap. It really helps the channel out. And consider subscribing for more content on communication, careers, and building better connections. Thanks so much for watching. Go out there, build those trust bricks, and I'll see you in the next one.